Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am Anna. I am so happy to see you today. Learning English is a beautiful journey. We are here to help you. How are you today? I hope you feel wonderful. I feel very excited today. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. It is a perfect day to be together and learn.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends. I am Tom. I am very happy too. I feel great because I'm with you. Today is a special day. The weather is warm and I feel very positive. I love these moments. We can speak slowly. We can learn step by step. This is a safe place to practice your English.
You are right, Tom. Today we have a very fun topic. It is something practical. We use these words in real life. Today we are going shopping. We are going to a big store. We need to buy new clothes. Do you like shopping, Tom?
Well, Anna, I like new clothes. I like to look good, but sometimes shopping is difficult for me. There are many people. There are many options. I feel a bit confused sometimes. But today, I am happy because I am shopping with you. You are an expert.
Oh, thank you, Tom. I love shopping. I love colors. I love different styles. Shopping is like an adventure for me. Friends, do you like shopping? Is it fun for you or is it stressful? Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your comments.
Yes, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel too. If you subscribe, you can see all our videos. It is a great way to support us. And please give us a like. A like helps other people find our channel. We are a big family of English learners.
Thank you, friends. Okay, Tom, let's start. We are at the mall. The mall is a very big building with many stores. We are walking inside. It is very bright. There's music playing. Can you hear the music, Tom?
Yes, the music is nice. It makes me feel relaxed. Look, Anna, there's a clothing store. It is very big. It has a big sign. The sign says Fashion World. Should we go inside?
Yes, let's go inside Fashion World. Look at the windows. The mannequins are wearing beautiful clothes. A mannequin is a plastic person for clothes. I like that red dress. It is very elegant.
The dress is nice, Anna, but I need a shirt. I need a new shirt for work, and maybe some new pants. My old pants have a hole. I feel a bit sad about my old pants.
Don't be sad, Tom. New pants are a good thing. Let's find the men's section. Look over there. The sign says men's clothing. It is in the back of the store. Let's walk together.
Okay, I'm walking to the back. There are many shirts here. So many colors. I see blue shirts, I see green shirts, I see white shirts. I like the color blue. Blue is my favorite color. It makes me feel calm.
Blue is a great color for you, Tom. It matches your eyes. Look at this blue shirt. It is a light blue. Do you like light blue or dark blue?
I think I like dark blue. Dark blue is more serious for work. This shirt here is dark blue. I like it. It is very pretty. The material feels soft. I like soft clothes.
Let me touch it. Oh yes, it is cotton. Cotton is a natural material. It is very comfortable. Cotton is good for the skin. Is this shirt your size, Tom?
That is a good question, Anna. I don't know. Let me look at the tag. The tag is the small paper with information. This tag says S. What does S mean?
S means small, Tom. I think S is too small for you. You are tall and strong. You need a bigger size. Let's look for M or L. M is for medium. L is for large.
Ah, I see. Small, medium, large. These are the sizes. Let me look for M. Here is one. This dark blue shirt is size M. I think this is my size. I'm happy now.
Wait, Tom. Sometimes different brands have different sizes. You should check if they have L too, just in case. Look, here is an L. It is a bit bigger.
Okay, I have the M and the L. Now I need pants. I want black pants. Black is easy to combine. Black goes with everything.
I agree. Black pants are very useful. Look at these pants here. They are black. They are called trousers. Some people say pants, some people say trousers. Both are correct.
Trousers. That is a good word. These trousers are black and they feel strong. I need to find the size for the trousers too. The numbers are different here. It says 32, 34, 36.
Yes, Tom. For trousers, we use numbers for the waist. The waist is the part around your stomach. I think you are a size 32 or 34. Why don't you take both to the fitting room?
The fitting room? What is that? Is that the place where I try the clothes?
Exactly. The fitting room or the changing room. It is a small room with a mirror. You can put on the new clothes there. You can see if you like them.
Okay, I see the fitting rooms over there. There's a person working there. She is holding a sign. I will go there now. Anna, please wait for me. I need your opinion.
Of course, Tom. I will stay here. I will look at some shoes while I wait. Friends, do you like Tom's choices? Dark blue shirt and black pants. It sounds very classic.
I am in the fitting room now. It is small, but it has a big mirror. I am putting on the dark blue shirt, size M. Oh, it is a bit tight. It is tight on my arms. I feel like a superhero, but it is not comfortable.
Tom, can you hear me? How is the shirt? Does it fit well?
Anna, the M is too small. It is very tight. I'm going to try the L now. The L is large. Let me see. Oh, yes, this is much better. The L is perfect. It is not too tight. It is not too big. I can move my arms.
That is great news. Now try the pants. Try the size 32 and the size 34. Remember to move around. Sit down and stand up. You need to be comfortable when you sit.
Okay, I'm trying the size 32. I can't close the button. It is too small. My waist is bigger than I thought. I'm trying the size 34 now. The 34 is good. It fits perfectly. I like the length too. They are not too long.
Fantastic. Come out, Tom. I want to see you. I want to see your new style.
Okay, I'm coming out. Look, Anna, what do you think? Do I look good? Do I look like a professional?
Wow, Tom, you look wonderful. The dark blue shirt is beautiful. The black trousers are very elegant. You look very handsome. I think you should buy them.
Thank you, Anna. I feel very confident in these clothes. I feel happy. But wait, I need to check something very important. I need to check the price.
Oh yes, the price is very important. We need to know how much money we're spending. Let's look at the price tags.
Okay, let me see. The shirt is $25 and the pants are $40. 25 plus 40 is $65. Is that expensive, Anna?
Well, Tom, $65 for a shirt and pants is a good price. But look, there's a red sign on the wall. It says sale, and another sign says 20% off. Sale? Off? What does that mean? Does it mean the clothes are cheaper? Yes, a sale is a time when prices are lower. 20% off means you pay less money. It's a discount. Let me check the tag again. Oh, look, these pants have a yellow sticker. The yellow sticker means they are on clearance.
Clearance? That is a new word for me. Is clearance good?
Clearance is very good. It means the store wants to sell the clothes fast, so the price is very, very low. The pants are not $40. They are only $20 now.
Wow, $20. That is a bargain. A bargain is when you get something good for a low price, right?
Exactly, Tom. You are learning fast. A bargain is when you get something good for a low price. So, the shirt is $25 and the pants are $20. The total is $45.
$45 is much better. I'm very happy. I love discounts. I love saving money. Now I am ready to pay. Where is the cashier?
The cashier is at the front of the store. There's a small line of people. We call that a queue or a line. We need to wait for our turn.
Okay, I'm waiting in the line. I have my clothes in my hands. I feel excited. I'm going to have new clothes for work tomorrow. Everyone will be surprised.
You will look great, Tom. Look, it's our turn now. The cashier is a friendly man. He is smiling at us.
Hello. I want to buy these, please.
The cashier is scanning the clothes. Beep, beep. He's looking at the computer. He says the total is $45.50 with tax.
Tax?
What is tax?
Tax is a small amount of money for the government. It is normal. 50 cents is not much. How are you paying, Tom? With cash or with a card?
I am paying with my credit card. I put the card in the machine, I type my PIN number, it says approved. The machine makes a happy sound.
Perfect. Now the cashier is putting the clothes in a paper bag. He is giving you the receipt. The receipt is the paper that shows what you bought. Keep the receipt, Tom. If the clothes break, you can bring them back with the receipt.
Thank you for the advice, Anna. I will put the receipt in my wallet. I am very happy with my new clothes. Thank you for helping me today. You are a great friend.
You are welcome, Tom. I enjoyed our shopping trip. It was a lot of fun, and it was a great way to practice English. We learned about sizes, colors, prices, and discounts.
Yes, we learned many words. Small, medium,